everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Just wanted to stop by, say hello, and see what you're up to. So, you know I've been busy. I'm doing all my fall decor, and there's going to be a little video at the end of our little talk here. So I'm thinking about, okay, so I'm going to put a video up today. You'll see it today. And then on Wednesday, I usually do Crafty Wednesday. But I think I'm going to skip the craft this week and just continue on with the fall decorating. I know Kathy's planning on doing a little craft on Fun Friday. So, and I'm so glad to have Kathy back. Hi, Kathy. Well, she's been posting, but you know, after you move and it takes a while to get settled in. So she's up and running in full speed now, and I love it. If you haven't seen the crafts that she has done lately, go back and watch. They are amazing. And I know she's planning on a really good one this Friday. So just wanted to say hi. I wanted to also say hello to all of our new subscribers. And we're so pleased to have you as part of our YouTube family. And to all of our old subscribers, we love you guys so much. Thank you for coming every week and watching our videos. And I wanted to mention one other thing. I am so excited about this. I've already done it. It won't come up until September 7th. But I did my first Halloween video. And it is called, let me think. Who Let the Dogs Out? It's called A Halloween Party, Who Let the Dogs Out? Now this is kind of funny, kind of whimsical. It's really, I don't talk in it at all. It's kind of a storyline about a couple of dogs that totally mess up a Halloween party. They're jumping on the table and ripping things apart, and I had so much fun. My imagination really went wild with this. So I hope you guys watch it. And that is in collaboration with my dear friend, Melanie Thompson. And that's Melanie, M-E-L-A-N-I-E, Thompson, T-H-O-M-P-S-O-N. I'll try to put a picture of her up. Please go check out her channel. I know you guys would love her. She does a lot of home decor, a lot of Tuscan, and she loves Halloween as much as I do. So she's really busy now, but she is such a sweet, sweet lady. Please go by and say hi. Tell her that Marlene sent you. So I'm going to let you go and stay tuned and watch this little video of decorating. It's actually the buffet table. It was my grandma's buffet table. And it is a table that is a little over 100 years old, and I have debated whether or not to paint it white or leave it, and I've decided to leave it. So, anyways, I will see you all soon. Okay, so here's the table we're going to decorate today. Bye-bye. It already had a cream-colored table scarf on it, and then I found this little orange one I'm going to put on top for some extra color. I love Scarecrows. And I thrifted these Scarecrows years ago, and aren't they cute? I just love Scarecrows. So I have 3 of them here, and the 3 different sizes, so I thought they looked really super cute together. And, oh, there's Mom. She says hi. Hi, Mom. So next I have my dough bowl. Now this came from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and what I did was I put a lot of the picks from Dollar Tree, the floral fall leaves, and I just placed that in there, and I have some lights. They're like an amber color light that I wrapped around the leaves. So far so good. I think that's cute. Love that tall scarecrow. Okay, so the dough bowl, I've gone ahead and I've added, I have 3 pumpkins right there. So let's go ahead. You can't have fall without pumpkins, right? And then I've had this sign for a long time too. Came from Ross years ago. It says Harvest Blessings. And I thought that'd be really cute right there. I love fall. Okay, so now I have this, another pumpkin I've had for a long, long time. It's like a bronze metal pumpkin. And I thought it'd be pretty there because that Harvest Blessing sign has some leaves on it that are metal. So, there's another view. So pretty. Yeah, I like that pumpkin there. Oh, and I added another little pumpkin to the right side of that large pumpkin in the dough bowl, too. So I think it came out pretty darn good. So let's take one last view here. Now I'll be doing a little bit of fall decorating a couple times a week anyways. Want to hurry up and get it done so I can do a home tour. I love doing the home tours. And this is my first fall decorate with me ever videos since we didn't start till last February. So good start, I say. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.